Welcome back. India stands at the brink of a major political reset, one that could redefine representation in the world's largest democracy. Prime Minister Modi yesterday called the Women's Reservation Bill a reflection of the aspiration of crores of women across the country. Now, in a signed article, Prime Minister Modi made a strong pitch urging all the MPs to rise above politics and back the amendment to the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam and emphasized that the passage of the bill must reflect the broadest consensus and must be guided by larger national interest. Prime Minister also made a unity appeal, which comes days before the Parliament is all set to convene for a crucial special three-day session from April 16th to 18th to discuss and pass amendment that will fast-track the implementation of the Women's Reservation Bill. So in that backdrop, the next Parliament session is going to be very, very important. On that, we have a big breaking update coming in. But before that, let's listen in to what the Prime Minister said.
भारत ने तय किया है कि 2047 में जब हमारी आजादी के 100 साल होंगे, तब तक हमने विकसित भारत बना के रहना है। लेकिन मेरे 2-2.5 दशक के सरकार के मुखिया के रूप में जो मेरे अनुभव है, उस अनुभव के आधार से मैं कह सकता हूं कि हमें विकसित भारत का लक्ष्य हासिल करना है, तो हमें हमारी मातृशक्ति को, हमारी नारी शक्ति को, उनके पूर्ण सामर्थ्य का राष्ट्र के विकास में जोड़ना ही होगा। और सबकी इच्छा है कि 2029 में जब लोकसभा के चुनाव होंगे, तब हमारे देश की नारी शक्ति को जनप्रतिनिधि के रूप में लोकसभा में, विधानसभाओं में 33% स्थान मिलना ही चाहिए। पिछले कुछ दिनों से हम सभी राजनीतिक दलों से बातचीत कर रहे हैं। ज्यादातर दलों ने समर्थन भी दिया है। एक बहुत ही सकारात्मक माहौल दिख रहा है। मैंने आज अखबारों में एक लेख लिखा है, मेरे अपने विचार मैंने साझा किए हैं, लेकिन मैं आज आपसे आग्रह करता हूं, आप इस लेख को जरूर पढ़ें, औरों को भी पढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करें।
And on this, we have a big breaking update coming in. A big Nari Shakti push by the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, top sources have told Times Now that to build the momentum ahead of the crucial Parliament session from April 16th to 18th, they are marking a historic moment of bringing Nari Shakti Adhiniyam amendment. Ensuring its implementation, the Bharatiya Janata Party has directed organizations to undertake activities starting April 11th, that is tomorrow. So from tomorrow all the way to April 13th, party will conduct press conferences at 100 main big centers. Big cities will have 2 press conferences each. In town hall, prominent women speaker will be invited, and this is to be done at 15 prominent points is what we are learning. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, who's been tracking all the details. Pragya, a big Nari Shakti push by the Bharatiya Janata Party. They have big plans in place ahead of the crucial Parliament session. Give us more details.
Absolutely, Akanksha, and it looks like that they are trying to generate a momentum just ahead of the session that will convene on April 16th. And in fact, it is also a push by the BJP and its related organization to ensure there is an environment and atmosphere pro Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, and it will also put a pressure on the opposition parties who are also making issue on various points when these particular amendments are going to be introduced. BJP has ensured that the environment will have a bouquet of activities. In fact, they are trying to have a town hall, which will be culmination of which will be addressed by Prime Minister himself, and in various states the Chief Minister will culminate all these town halls that are going to take place in 50 places. Apart from that, there are going to be big Nari Shakti Sammelans. Remember, this is also about women, so all the speakers on the stage are going to be women, and also women from various fields of life, political, non-political, and as well as prominent women achievers are going to be participating participating in this Nari Shakti Sammelans. These are also going to be organized at 100 prominent places. There is also, many other activities like Nari Shakti Padyatra that BJP is going to take out at 500 places, 2,000 women in each of the Padyatra. Look at, the optics of it and also the momentum it will create and the kind of support it will generate in women voters especially and women per se, and the message that it is going to send across to the political parties who may be differing from the government on various points. They will also come under pressure because of that. So this is a very calibrated move, Akanksha, by the BJP right now ahead of the session to ensure that there is a sentiment for pro-women reservation, as every party needs to come on it. Women, voters have emerged as a very strong voting bloc in each elections, and BJP also, gives credit to women voters for its victory in state after state. And, these activities are given very important significance as far as these women reservation is concerned. There are, the details of it has been particularly chalked out by Nitin Nabin, BJP president himself. NCWs and all the women sangathans of BJP have been told to participate in that, take out bike rallies, car rallies, and all the, local bodies are going to have a resolution, post.
All right, so this is very important. A big Nari Shakti push just ahead of the crucial parliament session.